What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I totally was not planning on making this kind of video this quickly, but I ordered this thing in October of 2021. Excuse the mess. Totally off the cuff here. I, in full transparency, have not had a chance to fully use it. We're going to get into that in a second, but I just came home from getting groceries and stuff, you know, typical thing. I saw the box. I got so excited. Again, like I said, I bought this thing in October. I understand COVID caused a lot of delays and this and that. I'm totally compassionate to that. I'm going to show you this product on here, okay? I'm going to tell you what I'm noticing right off the bat, and then I'm going to show you my other stubbies, and we're going to have a quick little conversation because, spoiler alert, okay, I don't know how something of this quality, I use that term very loosely, I don't know how Matt, of all the people that I follow and look at him, and he always, you know, boasts about top tier this, top tier that, I don't know how he allowed this to come out. I don't know if it's just rushed because so many people had interest, or it's just revision 1 and they're just taking all of our money. But as the title says, this thing is overhyped and overpriced. I can see some people are probably going to fangirl over this because it's Obsessed Garage, and to be honest with you, I'm a big fan of the channel and I have nothing against him. I just think this is, in my opinion, first impressions, junk, and I'm going to tell you what I don't like about it. I was going to cancel this order about a week ago. Oh God, I had this ordered since, like I said, October of last year, totally understanding the delay and supply chain and productions and this and that. It looks cool, except, let's just talk about that. Forget it. Let's switch up the format here. Let's talk about how it looks. Aesthetically speaking, I think it's decent other than these two things. I was looking at the renditions of it and I just never understood this and this. Okay, why are there two clips on the sides? It doesn't make any, like, for someone with OCD, I actually have OCD. This bothers me to no end. The fact that there's one thing here and two here bothers me. The other thing is, you know, this is specifically made for an EGO. What is a primary color scheme on the EGO? You took 2 seconds. You could have possibly made this look less shitty with a different color here. That's nitpicking. Let's not even go into that. This is decent, you know, although it's not like super color matched. I prefer the bowler bands that are green, but whatever, we'll talk about that another time. Other than that, quality-wise, nice. I like the conical shape of it. I don't get why this wasn't one piece. I don't understand. Jesus Christ. I don't understand the need for this and this. What is the need for this? Unless they're coming out with some bullshit extra attachments that they're going to try to cash grab on you guys. I don't understand the need for this to not be a one piece. It just doesn't make any fucking sense to me. Not one bit. I don't understand. Again, I'm not an engineer. I'm just the end consumer here. I'm not even a professional detailer. I'm just a prosumer of sorts. I mean, I got a lot of crap, but I use things, and this bothers me. It's kind of weird. All that aside, the fact that, you know, this spins here for no reason. So now every time I use this goddamn thing, I'm going to have to make sure this is lined up because I already want to throw up in my mouth. This, I got so excited. Took it out of the box, cut it out of the box, want to go put it on, and I'm disappointed already. Let me show you. Guys, it's like throwing a hot dog down a hallway. It's like getting with the loosest girl in the whole school. Where's the quality control on this? Where is the quality control on this product? Look at this. This was not properly fit on. Look at this, the movement of this. This is dog shit. This is total dog shit. And I can tell you how I can come to this conclusion. Dog shit is what this is. And I will not be using this. I'm going to demonstrate it and spew the verbal diarrhea, but it's dog shit. For one, here is an EGO made one. You know what? Let me put this goddamn camera down before I throw it across the room. You know, it's not the money. I don't care. It's that I got excited for something that turned out to be dog shit. And we just get let down often. It just pisses you off. Now, I understand EGO is going to have a better fitting thing, but let's just, for shits and giggles, right? This is the gutter attachment that, in my opinion, you could possibly modify this. You could, you know, I was going to potentially sand off the twisters here, the threads, right? Locked on. Where's that going? Where's that going? It's not moving. Where's the wiggle? Nothing. You're telling me this product exists. This exists. You couldn't model this somehow off of these exact dimensions to give us more of a tighter feel? You couldn't do that? Like, hello? And then this is like, you really have to, you know, wiggle it off. Hold on. There we go. Good fit. I mean, this is a solid thing. The only thing that sucks with this option is you have to buy the whole gutter attachment. Now let me talk about this. I've done other videos on this company, okay? This company. So this company right here, if you take a look at their name, Stubby Nozzle Co., okay? They have an Etsy, is where I had originally found this from, but they have a website here where you can purchase this exact product, right? It's on Etsy, and this guy makes these 3D printed, very attractive looking, seamless designs. Now I gotta tell you, this was the first one I bought, right? Very cool. I liked it. I put it on, and it worked. I put it on, but now watch, okay? Goes on. Same sort of issue, except this is version 1 for this gentleman, right? One dude on Etsy producing this, right? This is version 1, and, you know, it is what it is, but I liked it because, you know, it still did the job, and it's, like, not the easiest thing in the world to get off. It's like finding the clitoris. You need to have some kind of goddamn, like, secret handshake and a freaking sea otter tail slap. This is ridiculous. It comes off, but the design that he did in here, simple, effective, to the point where I struggle to even get it off. Stunad, right? Can't do it. Awesome. This gentleman reaches out to me and tells me, hey, I don't know if he, like, watched my video about it and made the corrections based off the video or what. Let me back up a little bit. Reaches out to me with a version 2, the updated version. What's the difference? He added an end, because I had said something about, like, what if this flies off and hits the paint? He added an end that he worked with measurements to go with the blower bands. Wow, what a genius thing, making a product that fits other things and works with other things and actually makes sense and freaking looks good. Not only that, it has more of a nozzle shape, so this one, even with a blower band, can engulf it and go like a Pac-Man. So you get more of a, oh, what are the odds of that, right? You get more of that shape at the end. And he corrected the issue greatly of the fit. So if you look, it's on there. It's on there. It's on there. Maybe a minor movement. Now this thing, the first time I took it off, horrible time to take it off. I used this so far a couple dozen times. I did my lawn, I do cars, I dry off whatever I need to. If I blow dust out of my garage, this is the setup. And it doesn't have these ugly clips on the side. I'm gonna tell you, if you're gonna pick up anything and you give a crap about the way things look, forget about how it functions. It's gonna function the same as this. You get what is it gonna blow out a point micron of some kind of CFM, something different, because some guy in a fucking computer lab tells you? I don't believe it. Not for one goddamn second that makes any kind of difference. This looks sexy, and this looks like complete dog shit. That's what this looks like. This doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. And this was a lot more money. How does that make any sense? You go to the Etsy app. What does this thing cost? I forget. Hold on. Come on, stop. $39.99. This thing was like $70-something. How are you almost double the price? Oh, I get it. Obsessed Garage. You throw your logo and you slap your ball sack on something, and that's it. There's the price difference. I don't understand. And I'm sorry for the hostility. Like I said, I don't have a problem with him, but this thing sucks. I'm pissed off. I'm going to sell it. I don't want it. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to return it. Made in goddamn China. And it doesn't fit right. The fit is just shit. It's shit. I'm sorry. You know, you guys come here for honesty, and I'm not about this ball sack licking stuff. I don't like it. I'm annoyed. I got all hyped up, and I'm like, damn, dude, Matt's jumping on board with this. This thing is going to be the best. I put this aside. I knew this was in the pictures and the videos and whatever. I put that aside. I was like, oh, God, I'm really not a fan of that. It's giving me itis problems. I don't like it. Not a big fan. I put that aside. Tossed it over. Shouldn't have. I should have followed my goddamn gut. Because now I've got this goddamn thing that I don't want. And I want to put it in the box and let it float down the river and set it on fire and give it a proper burial, because I don't think it makes any sense. So if you're in the market for one of these and you are not in the lucky, cool group that got yours early, let me know. Shoot me a message, and you know, I'll send it to you for a slight discount. Not much, because you know that where's the fairness in that. But you let me know if you don't want to wait in the next 3-4 weeks or whatever it is more, and you think that this is a better option than this, and I'm telling you that it is. I mean, I'm not going to try and sell this and say this is good at all. I don't think this is worth a goddamn penny more than this. If this was $39.99, maybe you could justify it. But there is a dude on Etsy printing these things probably while he's wearing pajamas, eating milk and cookies, and he did a better goddamn job than who the hell knows sitting here with their fancy ass bullshit logos and their stupid warning level nonsense, dude. Come on. Let's get it together, people. Expect better quality from these people that are influencing us. This is ridiculous. Anyway, I'm gonna have to turn it on and see what it sounds like, because who knows. So let me struggle to get this off, because this thing is on there, dude. This is on there. It's harder than Chinese algebra. It's on there. So let's put this on. Let's hear what it sounds like. Let's see if it blows. I mean, it's going to blow, but it blows in a different way. Let's just see what happens. Actually, you know what? So I'm not going to complain about this one. This thing is, it's such a beast. It's hard to get off because it's made properly. But what you got to do is you got to like hug it from behind. Like you're about to like sexually attack this goddamn blower, and you're going to squeeze and twist on here. So what you're doing is you're putting pressure here so that it widens it out a little bit and loosens the tooth lockjaw grip it's got on this thing. That's what it is. Super awesome design, super clean inside. Look at that. Look at that one piece, right? One piece. Look how nice the inside looks. And look at this dog shit. Multi-stepped layers for air. Like, are you goddamn joking? It's not even smooth inside there. Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Bullshit. It's not even smooth. Like, there's a ridge. So you're telling me the air is going to not have any kind of disturbance? What? But come on, it's not even part of the I'm going to stutter and lose my mind now. It's not even part of the divide. This is on this whole piece here. Why? What? It's like rubber too. Oh my God, hold on. What is this bullshit? There's rubber in here. Hold on. There's like a rubber gasket inside. For what goddamn reason? For what reason? is there a seal inside of there right there? Probably because these people are assholes and they think we're stupid assholes. That's what it is. They think we're stupid assholes. And maybe we are. Well, maybe I am because I bought it. But you might not be a stupid asshole. There's still time for you. You can get on there, you stupid thing. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Are you f***ing kidding me with this? You know what this reminds me of? Like, you ever watch like old time movies of like stagecoaches like going down cobblestone roads? It's gonna splooge. That's how ridiculous this is. Okay. Yeah, sounds great. Sounds awesome. Sounds stupendous. Didn't feel any goddamn different than this. Same goddamn thing. Except this one looks good and it's cheaper and it's in stock. And this looks like a giant piece of whale turd that just floated out of the ocean and smacked your mother in the face while she's sunbathing on the beach. That's what that is. Turds. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. Honestly, guys, don't buy this. Please. I swear to God, don't buy it. I'm not even joking. I don't care if he comes out with 4 revisions. Until they, like, fix this ugly shit and get rid of this and turn it into one piece and fix the fact that that wobbles and that doesn't, that is completely unacceptable to me. I'm sorry. It is unacceptable. My business, I'm happy that I have this. I'm happy that I have this. I'm upset that I have this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.